in your kit, you'll get the clay and some parchment paper. You'll need your own cutting board, a rolling pin, some alcohol and some paper towels, and your instruction sheet. What you want to do is you want to roll the clay on the parchment paper, and you want to roll the clay out to big enough to fit the amount of prints that you need for your child. You want to roll this out to about 1/2 inch thick. You want to have enough thickness to get a deep print. If you start to get some clay sticky on your rolling pin, you clean it off with alcohol. It's very important, do not use water on this clay. It gets really sticky. So you can clean off your rolling pin with some paper towel and some alcohol. This is also how, if it gets sticky on your hands, you can clean it off of your hands with a little bit of alcohol. For the keep a smooth surface, I just wanted to clean this off a little bit more so that I can roll it out a little bit without getting any texture on the clay. So say that you're not happy with your print, like I got a fingerprint in there, or maybe you didn't get the finger in deep enough, or it's a foot and you're missing a toe, or you're just not happy with the print that you got. This clay is very easily reusable. All you got to do is just roll it back, or just knead it back into a ball. And you know, you really got to get it into a good ball. Try to fold it in so that you don't get any air bubbles. So you want to make sure you get all of these creases out. So you really want to knead this into a ball, and just turn it into a ball of clay and roll it back out. That's all you got to do. So now we're working with a child that's a little bit older. Once you get past 2-3 years old, the handprint is a little bit different. So she's 3, so anywhere between 3, 5, and 6, you want to make sure you get the palm print in a little bit more. So I've already rolled out the clay and gotten it ready. Oh, she's ready to go. Okay, so go ahead and stick the hand. Wait a minute, baby, let me do it. And she's standing on a little chair next to me, or you can even have her sitting on your lap, whatever feels the most comfortable. So, and then go ahead and make sure you press in each finger. And then what I was saying is, due to the fact that when the child starts to get bigger, you have more surface area, you got to make sure you get in the palm. So really press into the palm with the children that are a little bit older. And then, ready to pull up? Yes, and now we have a beautiful print. And you can see how we got the palm in quite deep. Yeah, good job. Here's your hand. So when you're ready to cook, to bake the clay to harden it, put it in the oven at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Now it's really important that the temperature is 275 and you only leave it in for 15 minutes. Even though the thickness might be a little bit more than what the package says, don't cook it any longer than that because it can burn. And then ship it back to me and I will make your prints.